Only God can move mountains, but your faith and your prayers can move the heart of God. Hi there, kumusta ka? May mga imposibleng bagay ka bang pinagdadaanan ngayon? But today, I'd like to encourage you. Only God can move these mountains, but your faith and your prayer can move the heart of God. Faith means believing even when you don't see it yet. Hindi to nakadepende sa sitwasyon, kundi nakadepende to sa kung ano yung tingin mo sa Diyos na pinanampalatayaan mo. As the Bible said, without faith, it is impossible to please God. Kapag may faith tayo, we are declaring and telling God, Lord, I trust you. Kahit hindi ko pa nakikita yung sagot. Yung prayer, yun yung connection natin sa Kanya. Prayer is not just about asking the Lord. It is about aligning our hearts into God's will. At kapag nananalangin tayo, we are surrendering all our battles to the Lord, to the one who already won the victory. Kaya kahit mahirap, kahit parang imposible, our prayers keep us strong and hopeful. At ako naniniwala ako na kapag pinagsama natin yung matinding pananampalataya at walang tigil na pagdarasal sa Panginoon, we are moving the heart of God. And when God moves, walang hindi siya kayang gawin. Walang pintuan na hindi niya kayang buksan. Walang sakit na hindi niya kayang pagalingin. Siguro hindi agad-agad, maybe not in the way you expect it to be, pero always in the way that's best for you. Kaya kapit lang tayo, dasal pa tayo. Maybe right now you're tired, discouraged, or even feel like giving up. But God is not done with you yet. He is still writing a beautiful life story for you. The mountains you're facing today will soon become a powerful testimony of His love and faithfulness to His promises. And when God moves, everything changes. When God moves, something good is coming. Don't lose hope dahil may ginagawang kamangha-manghang bagay ang Diyos sa sitwasyon mo ngayon.